glorify, pedestal, honor, elevate.
We gon' elevate and motivate, inspire to be great. Yesterday is yesterday, today is a new day. So if each one can teach one, we can all make a way. Elevate, elevate, elevate and learn. Elevate, elevate, elevate with Vern.
Heighten, rise, hoist, promote, upgrade, elevate.
If you are similar to me in any kind of way, then what's in this box is the epitome of you. I suggest you stay tuned and watch what's inside. You do not want to miss it. Welcome in, everyone. Let me tell you what I have in this box. If you are a woman of color, a black woman especially, you do not want to miss what's in here. I was so proud to find this company and to be gifted an item. And stay tuned and pay attention, because I will be doing a giveaway of one of the items in here, and you may be the lucky recipient. So let's get to it. Okay, so I found this company on Instagram, and let me tell you, I was so proud to purchase that I am actually going to purchase again. And the name of the company is It's a Beautiful Day to Be a Black Woman. It is Cecilia's House is the name of the company. So let me show you what the product is, and then I'm going to tell you a little bit about them. So if you see this, it says, "It's a beautiful day to be a black woman." This is a tote bag, and one lucky, beautiful black woman will win one of these, because I purchased two, because I thought they were so awesome that I just had to get one for someone else. But not only that, I have another product inside, and I'm going to tell you about that. So first, it says, "Every day is a beautiful day to be a black woman, Cecilia's House." I am going to leave all the information in the description box, and I want you guys to go, and purchase and let her know you a booski, okay? So it says, "Hey girl, welcome to Cecilia's House, where empowering black women is not just a mission, but a passion that drives everything we do. Cecilia's House was created by a black woman and with black women in mind. It's an ode to my grandmother, Cecilia. My grandmother's house was where I first learned what empowering was, how to overcome self-limiting beliefs, how to dream big and be bold enough to pursue them well into manifestation. And it was that same house where I fell in love with home decor. My grandmother was and still is intentional about designing a space that reflects her heart's desire, and I strive to do the same. So here's to designing a future that will leave a lasting legacy, because if you can envision it, it is possible. Welcome to Cecilia's House," and it is the founder, Khadisha, and it says, "With love." So y'all go and check her out and let her know that you are a booski. Now this here, "It's a Beautiful Day to Be a Black Woman." I will be gifting this to one of my sisters. I'm not going to tell you who, because I want you to be surprised when you get it. When I tell y'all I fell in love. And I love things like this because I actually always love to buy glass coffee mugs. It's a beautiful day to be a black woman. It's a beautiful day to be a black woman. It's a beautiful day to be a black woman! So, somebody's going to be getting this, and I'm not going to tell you who you are. I want you to be super, super surprised. So if you watch this video, you can ready to get something serious. So with that said, I want you guys to go to Cecilia's house. I want you to show her some love. I want you to purchase her items. Let her know you a booski baby from Elevate with Vern. Go get your bag. And let me show y'all what the bag looks like inside, and go get your cup. And oh, this is such a cute little coat. It's kind of big inside, y'all. Look at that. Okay? And y'all know, man, look. Women, we love to carry bags. So go get your bag and go get your cup. And baby, it's a beautiful day to be a black woman. It's a beautiful day to be a black woman. Cecilia's house, I thank you. I love these items. And you guys go check her out because she also has t-shirts, okay? She also has a t-shirt. I didn't get it yet, but I'm going to get it. So you guys go over there and check her out and let her know you're a booski. If you watch this far, remember to stick around for a giveaway for the bag. Pay attention and read the pinned comment that I'm going to have on this video on YouTube. I love you guys. Be kind to one another. Never stop dreaming. And if you like to, make sure you're purchasing my merch through Elevate with Vern, my Spreadshirt shop. And also check out my website, my pin site website. All of the information will be in the description. I have digital products that you can also purchase. And I will be doing a group coaching class. So go check it out. All right, y'all. I love y'all. Have an amazing day. Go out there and spread love and spread light. Love y'all.
Lights, camera, action, hit the curtains. Yeah, I've been working and that's for certain. Somebody said the game hurt.
Y'all, remember,
Quiet
it's a
attention,
beautiful
know
day.
you need me.
Be a black woman.
Lights, camera, action, hit the curtains. I ain't playing and I'ma show it. The day's going fast and the clock don't stop. Ain't got time to blow it, nah.
Elevate, elevate, elevate with Vern.
Height and rise, hoist, promote, upgrade,
Elevate,
lift, transcend, uplift, jump,
elevate,
raise, glorify, pedestal, honor.
elevate. We gon' elevate and motivate, inspire to be great. Yesterday is yesterday, today is a new day. So if each one can teach one, we can all make a way. Elevate, elevate, elevate and learn. Elevate, elevate, elevate with Vern.
Height and rise, hoist, promote, upgrade.